Hey y'all, what's up? Today I'm working on getting some stumps out, so let me show you what I've got set up here. So this is the stump that I'm trying to get out of here, and so I know I'm not going to be able to do it just with the strength of the truck because it's going to slip on all these leaves and everything around here. And this, it's a pretty big root ball. So I've got some mechanical advantage here. I've got 2 pulleys on this side and 2 pulleys on my anchor tree over there. See if you can see that. And so I've just got it running back and forth between here. That's going to multiply the pulling force on this tree. And then I've got it running back over here to the truck. It's going to be rubbing against this tree right here. So I've got one of the sleeves for this rope right here. I've got the sleeve right here, so that once it starts pulling, it'll be pulling through that sleeve instead of rubbing on the tree. So that's what I got set up here. We're gonna give it a shot, and I've got it hooked up to the tow hook on the truck. And so we'll just see what we can get. All right, well, it took a little bit of adjusting. Ran out of rope on one of the pulls, and this little tree saver broke on the first pull, but wound up getting it taken care of. So you can see the hole here that it left. It's a pretty big root ball. I'll give you a little perspective here. So see if we can do this here. Sons of mice. So if that gives you any kind of perspective, this thing is probably just a little bit taller than I am. So obviously landed on my pulleys, so I'm gonna have to go get the tractor and get that thing lifted up a little bit so I can get all that out of there. But got it taken care of. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, because the tractor is definitely not gonna lift that. That thing is incredibly heavy. So I might just wind up kind of pushing it off into the woods and just kind of letting it sit. I'll just cut this stump part off, and then maybe just push the root ball back into the woods. All right, well, I am going to go get the tractor and get these ropes detached and call it a day.